My name is Ellie, and we are going to play chess. Welcome to our chess live mastery. We are going to review the previous game, and this is the bird's opening. So far, I responded with a c5. I'll be playing back here. And after we started to develop our pieces, this is something uncommon for me because this is the first time I've seen or compete with someone who's of this level for bird's opening. So I break the center by for playing um, e5 captures, and then I capture, so we capture with a knight. Okay, c4, I attack upon, and I develop my bishop, take stakes, and now I capture the knight at the center. So he takes down with a rook, and I attack the rook, so that I could eliminate its influence. So I supported the bishop, check, and then I traded with the queen. He refused to trade, and I push the pawn for more, captures, check once more, and I lost the opportunity to castle anyway. I am well protected by two bishops. So I check by capturing the pawn at the center, and move my knight to a more important square. Captures, and I recapture, trying to put the bishop back to its perfect square. So I drive that bishop away, positioning my rook. Okay, I offer a queen trade, he refuses, so I reposition my rooks. I capture, giving up the pawn, and I also gave up the pawn, and try to maneuver from this point to attack from that flank. So I reposition my rooks once more. Okay, he has a check over here, so I defend with it. He's trying to go for a check. I immediately responded. Yeah, that's the blunder. This lose a rook. Capture. Now, try to get away from that. Try to challenge the bishop now. Okay. Try to make exchanges. He's trying to cut through, and I will go from here. But I check first. Now I have the opportunity to take this. And then after that, I move to this part, and he resigned. So that's how we ended this game. And this is a horseback mate, because if you do something, it will be mate. Alright, so that's about it. Thank you very much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. See you next time, and take good care. Bye bye.